confirmed tornado on the ground near Irving. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a tornado warning for Dallas County in northeastern Texas until 10 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:59 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a trained weather spotter reported a tornado on the ground near Irving, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazards included a tornado. Severe weather has been confirmed by trained spotters. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Irving at around 9:13 a.m., Piano at around 9:20 a.m. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.